Hi everyone, my name's Ben Wright, Head of Revenue here at Senspark, and today we're going to dig into the incredible potential of using video in the real estate industry. So, for anybody watching this video, in the real estate industry, you know that it's a constant battle to try and get ahead of your competitors. And I'm here to tell you that by using video, you can stand apart from your competitors whilst also providing an incredibly personalized experience for your customers. Here's what we're going to cover today. In today's video, we will be covering why video for real estate, what are the use cases for video in real estate, and finally, how can you use Sendspark video specifically to drive results for you, your prospects, and your customers. So why video? Well, video works for a number of different reasons. The first is visual appeal. So people are naturally drawn to visuals. So videos allow you to showcase properties in a dynamic and engaging way and actually make people take notice. The second reason why video is personal connection. So video enables a personal touch between you and your prospective kind of clients, and it helps to really build trust and rapport with those potential clients. And I think the third and kind of final reason as to why video and why you should be using video as part of your kind of real estate career is that video can convey complex information quickly and effectively. And it keeps viewers engaged and informed. So if there's something you want to explain about a potential property that you're about to view with a client, you can do that very easily in a video. Maybe showcase a particular feature of the property. And so by using video, you can really communicate that complex information really, really easily and effectively. So on to the next section. What use cases can you use video for specifically in your real estate career? Well, there are several that we'll kind of go through in the video to walk you through where you might be able to leverage video as part of your kind of day-to-day role. So the first would be kind of agent introductions, right? So if you were getting a lead maybe from Zillow or somewhere like that, instead of just a generic cold call or a text or just reaching out, what you're able to do is really personalize that experience by introducing yourself and your team to potential clients via video. So that's the first one. The second one would be stuff like market updates. So when you have a lead or a client that maybe you've previously done business with before and you're sending out, newsletters and stuff like that, what you're able to do with video is share kind of regular dynamic updates on the market, helping clients stay informed whilst also delivering something really, impactful to them that they're going to take notice of. The final one is stuff like property tours. And so giving potential buyers, a little tour of the property, highlighting key features and the overall ambiance and stuff like that. So using video just to simply record certain parts of the building that you can then share with your clients. And then the final one would be kind of stuff like neighborhood overviews. And so again, more of the kind of marketing use case, staying in touch with people maybe you've conducted business with before. You could highlight the benefits of living in a particular area, showcase local amenities, community features, stuff like that. So those are just a few ideas for you around, how you can use video as part of your day-to-day as a real estate agent, in addition to just, generic lead generation. So instead of a boring, email campaign or a newsletter that everybody else does, every single one of your competitors is doing something very similar. Video can be a really great way to break through the noise. So that would be a few ways that you could use video as part of your real estate career. So how can you record videos in Senspark specifically for the real estate use case? And so what I'm showing you here is the Senspark platform. You do have a variety of options to record video inside of the tool. So we have a Chrome extension. You can record an app as well. And you can also choose a variety of options. So the option I've chosen is to record my face and my screen. You can record just your face or just your screen as well. And so fundamentally, what you're able to do is basically go to any web page that you'd like to do. Your bubble will come with you. And let's just say I've got a listing or a lead come through that somebody wants to request a tour of this property in Mill Creek. You could send a video follow-up to them to say like, hey, saw that you're interested in this property. Here's some additional information about it, and kind of just walk them through the property. Like instead of just sending them a cold email, cold text, etc. So that's one way. That's one thing that I would do, obviously, is like these types of videos, obviously run them through the property via a video to really, act as a really personalized kind of confidant. The second component that we offer, which you'll find interesting, is we also enable you to customize the thumbnail of the video. So when you're sending out a video, very important that the first thing they see is like the GIF or the thumbnail that you sent them. And so what you can do inside of Senspark is also create these really customized thumbnails. So you could have like a wave as a thumbnail. You could also add your logo and background and stuff like that as well. So lots of stuff you can do from customizing the thumbnail. Again, that just gives an extra level of personalization when you're sending out the video. The other thing that I wanted to showcase, and again, we talked about it before, is like you're able to see very deep analytics around who's watched your video and for how long. And so if you're reaching out to a real estate prospect and they click into the video, you can come into the Senspark platform and see very easily who's watched it, where they're from, and for how long they've watched the video for. And then we also have AI as part of the Senspark platform. So if you're a real estate agent that's sending out a lot of scaled communications, maybe you're sending out a newsletter or an update on the area, and you don't want to have to record a lot of one-to-one videos and take a lot of time recording videos, what you're able to do in Senspark is record one video, add contacts, and then personalize at scale through the use of AI. And so all you'd need to do is record a single video, turn on our AI voice cloning. What that's going to do is listen to the video you've submitted. So it could be something like, "Hi X, just updating you on the area. These are the things that I'm seeing." You turn on our voice cloning, it would learn your voice. And then when you come down to the bottom, what you're able to do here is basically just add in contacts. So I've got all these contacts added, and I'll just play you a couple of videos and show you how they differ. And then this would be to somebody called Brad. So again, as you send out your email newsletter or your market update, each video that you send or each person that you send it to, they'd have a fully personalized experience. And all you've had to do is record one video and then add contacts, which obviously is wonderful. The other thing that I will show you very quickly, and again, this gets to how great the videos are inside of Senspark. What you're able to do is also embed like a calendar link into the videos that you're sending out to your prospects. And so fundamentally, what you're going to do using the Sendspark platform is basically just like embed a calendar booking link into the platform. So here's what somebody would receive. Maybe it's your personalized video about your market update. Maybe this is a CTA that says check out more properties, and you've got your calendar in there if they wanted to book time with you. And so what you're doing is creating custom landing pages off the back of your videos. Again, really personalized, really customized experience for the prospects that you're reaching out to. So those were just a couple of ways that you can actually use the Senspark platform to drive results for yourself as a real estate agent. And so, yeah, those would be the main ways and the main use cases that you could use the platform from a feature perspective to drive results amongst your client base. So in wrapping up this video, I just wanted to cover the 4 key reasons that you should be using video as part of your real estate motion or real estate go-to-market. The first is stand out from competition. Obviously, it's a very crowded market, so anything you can do to break out from your competition is critical, video being that thing. 2, you can explain with clarity. Anything in the real estate market is a very complex emotional sell. And so being able to use video to explain very clearly and coherently is a very big value add. The third is to break through the noise. So obviously prospects, especially when they're kind of clicking into properties, etc., are going to get a lot of people inbounding them and texting them and calling them. Video can be one way to break through the noise. And the final one, generate more business. So we have several real estate kind of clients that are using video to generate immense demand in their market. You could be the next 2. And so in the next slide, we'll include a link to the Senspark platform for you to get started and start generating your own demand through the use of video.